Hi ma'am, sir. Magandang araw po. Welcome po tayo dito sa Alvarez Park Cafe. We're open from Monday to Sunday po except Wednesday po. Open po tayo from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. po.
If you want to try a Western or Chinese Filipino cuisine, we have here in Alvarez Park Cafe.
Welcome to Alvarez Park, Cafe Valenzuela's hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of Tagalog fishing village. Whether you're craving a peaceful escape or a scenic spot to enjoy seafood and silog breakfasts, this riverside cafe delivers.
Ito, explore muna natin yung lugar, mga ka-MR.
From floating restaurants and kayaking adventures to cozy alfresco dining, Alvarez Park Cafe offers more than just a meal, it's an experience. Ideal for family gatherings, romantic dates, or solo soul searching. This place invites you to slow down and savor the view. So come for the food, stay for the vibe, and let nature do the rest.
So after exploring, nandito na kami, tumitingin na kami sa menu. Mamayang gabi balikan natin yung sa may floating restaurant. So order muna kami. Mga ka-MR, puntahan nyo na to. Masarap yung food, mabait yung staff nila. Panalo.
Hindi na ito matatapos! Joby! Baliktad!
Happy birthday, Hins! We love you always. Happy birthday, Hins!
Yes, baby.
Hello sa kapatid kong Makulit tsaka Maldita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hins.
Happy birthday, Regina! We love you!
Happy birthday, Rahina.
Happy birthday, Yelena. Many more birthdays to come. And magpakabayad ka parati, mag-aral mabuti. Thank you, Rina.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rina. Pakabait ka. May Starbucks ka naman.
Happy birthday, Hins! I love you. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata, be good girl always, and mag-aral ka mabuti. Mwah!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Rina. Enjoy your child lang at maging mabait kay mami at kay daddy. Always take care and palaging makulit. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hins! Happy birthday, Hins!
Happy birthday, Hins.
Happy birthday.
Cheers! So, bago matapos tong video na to, balikan natin yung floating restaurant dun sa likod. Tingnan natin yung itsura sa gabi.
Sa gitna ng Tagalog Fishing Village sa Valenzuela, matatagpuan ang Alvarez Park Cafe, isang tahimik na tambayan kung saan ang pagkain, tanawin, at vibes ay swak na swak. Whether you're here for a silog breakfast, fresh seafood, or just a chill afternoon by the river, this cafe gives you that provincia feels without leaving the city. May floating restaurant, kayaking at nature-inspired dining na perfect sa barkada, pamilya o kahit solo moments. Tara na tikman ang sarap, damhin ang hangin at i-experience ang Alvarez Park Cafe.
Happy birthday, Regina!
Thank you!
Thanks for watching. Until the next video. Bye!